Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of my tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to tell you about gimbal lock for rigging LOCK. So let's get started. To learn about gimbal lock, first you should have to learn about true rotation and camera rotation and also rotation order. If I write X, Y and Z, that means for gimbal lock creation you should bear in mind that as Z places in the last places, so it control the Y and X. This works as rotation order. Z control Y and X, and Y control only X, and X control none. If I change it to Y, X and Z, that means Z control X and Y, X control Y, Y control none. If I write it to Z, X and Y, that means Y control X and Z, X control Z, Z control none. The last axis which places in the last or right side, it control all. The rotation order works in this process. Y control X and Z, X control only Z or G, but Z control none, because it stands in front all other the two axes, that means X and Y. Now I am telling you about gimbal rotation, true rotation and camera rotation. If I take a polygon cube, increase the size of the polygon cube, now go to object mode, take your rotate tool. The rotate tool shows four circular handle. The red handle is x-axis C, here it is given, and this blue handle is z-axis, and the other one, this color is y-axis, and the overall this yellow color all over of these three axes is this yellow axis which shows you camera rotation. That is not actual rotation. Maya has four camera. This is perspective camera. Press spacebar on your keyboard. This is front camera, this is top camera, and this is side camera, and this one is perspective camera. If you rotate the cube by holding the red x-axis, rotate and see, it's changing its color. This one goes red, this one goes other color. Change and see the difference. Select this axis and rotate and see this one goes to blue color. That means the cube changing its sides, or this rotation causes the rotate of this cube. Mainly this is not actually true or completely true. This only causes the camera rotation of this cube. If I hold this and rotate, this causes the false rotation or camera rotation of this cube. If I press the cursor here and cause rotate. This is not true rotation, it is the camera rotation. See, camera rotation. To see the actual rotation of this cube, we should go to the gimbal mode, gimbal rotate mode. So put the rotate value to 0. Double click to show the gimbal rotate mode. Double click on this rotate tool. Axis orientation, object, change it to object to gimbal. Now press your mouse cursor and try to rotate. This time it's not rotating, and also the circular yellow axis disappeared. Now this time we will only see the actual rotation in gimbal mode. This is Z-axis, this is X-axis, and this is Y-axis. Open your attribute editor. See, the rotate order is, which I tell about you first time in this tutorial. The rotate order is X, Y and Z. As Z places in the last, so Z control X and Y. As Y places in the middle position, so Y control only the X. It will not affect any control in the Z-axis. It only control the X-axis. As X stand in front of all the three axes, it has no effect in another two axes. So this is very important. To learn about gimbal lock, you should bear in mind that as Z-axis stands in last, it control other two axes. As Y-axis stand in middle position, it only control the X-axis, and the X control none. See, in practical, this is Z-axis. If I hold this and try to rotate, see, the other two axis is moving. The X-axis moving and the Y-axis is also moving. That means Z-axis control other two axes. Control Z to undo. If I select the Y-axis, that means the middle axis, it only control the X-axis. See, the X-axis will move when I rotate it. See, only the X-axis moves. If I select the X-axis and try to move, see, the other two axes, that means Y and Z-axis, is not moving. This is the actual rotation of the cube. When you create rigging, it will help you gimbal rotation or actual rotation mode. So if I select the Y-axis, that means Y only control X-axis, not have effect in the Z-axis. If I select the Y-axis and try to rotate, see, when I rotate the Y-axis in this value, the X-axis and also the Z-axis overlapping. See, this time I can rotate the Y-axis only this axis, but sorry, this time I can only rotate the cube only this axis, but I cannot rotate the cube in this axis. This is called gimbal lock. The gimbal lock is the thing that the other two axes, that means X and Z axis, is overlapping in the same plane, and I cannot move the object or the cube in this axis. This is gimbal lock. See, this is called gimbal lock. This is the basic about gimbal lock learning. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.